Right side. So let's do that. Lift that leg up as high as you can go now. Okay, still sucks. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go the other side. Okay, both not good, right?
No.
All right, right SI joint. Okay, so we're gonna get it right onto that guy, and you're gonna kind of let it all fall towards me. And we're gonna open that guy up there. Okay. There it goes. There we go. Easy. Oops, let's go right side again. Way more. Okay, let's go down and do the other side. Good. How's that feel?
Much better.
A lot smoother in there, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't feel as stuck, restricted?
No, exactly.
Perfect. Okay, and then we'll check her alignment this way. Here we go.